Hi, Lucky.
Hello.
Hello. What do we have here?
IQ Toys.
IQ Toys and
Nerf Duckfire.
Nerf Gun. AccuStrike. Falcon Fire.
For sale
On sale.
at Toys R Us.
Okay.
And this one was with the other IQ Toys for $20.
Ooh. Okay.
We're gonna open IQ Toys first.
Lucky had some Toys R Us gift cards that he used because Toys R Us is closing down.
Yeah.
So we had to use them. Okay, I'll help you on that one. I'll get a knife. Okay, got it? Or is it the other side?
Uh-oh. Was it? Where'd you
I cut the tape right here. Right here. There you go. Whoa. Look at the cap. Whoa.
More in here? Oh,
That's it?
looks like that's it to me.
That's it? Okay, it says here, novel, interesting, and creative. Development of hand-eye coordination. Development of vision. Development of creativity and imagination.
Yep.
For ages 3 and up. And you're
7.
7. 81 pieces.
Perfect age.
I think this is going to be too easy for you.
Yeah, but I could use my imagination.
Okay, it's like Legos. Parents and kids can play together for a more intimate relationship. Inspires their children's imagination and promotes their intellectual development. Not the development. Improves the children's ability to handle practical tasks. Okay, how many do they have? There's battery in there. Okay, I guess you got them all.
There's there's battery not included.
Oh, it says battery not included. Okay, we got batteries. Okay, here are the contents on the side. Did you see? Here are the contents on the side.
Oh yeah.
1 of these, 5 of these.
One motor, 5 large gears, 8 medium gears, 4 small gears, 24 square bricks, 1 propeller thingy, 1 of these little nubs, 1 pole, 1 like swingy thingy, 1 seesaw, 5 seats,
Hurry up, you're gonna get shut off.
and 1 of these, 20 of these, 3 of these, 3 of these, and 1 of that.
Okay, so we're gonna open this once, and we'll come back to build something because we're running out of memory, okay?
Yep.
See you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.